love that train. My #1 star. In town with this bright blue paint. Come on, Jessie, one more lap. Jessie, the racing train. Jessie, my #1 star. He's coming to the line, looking real good. Watch out, Jessie, they're right behind you. Come on, Jessie, the racing train. Jessie, my #1 star. Jessie, the racing train.
Hey CSX, we should go out together and make love together. Okay, sure. Man, people should stop having feet and get wheels on their feet and not having head or neck. The hell did I just hear? Ain't no way he casually said that. It's true. People should get wheels instead of walking. And I'm not dealing with the human wheel crap again. Please be nice. I have autism. You gotta understand that us engines aren't here to hear that stuff. We're here to do our work. Gotta mention that you came here because Union Pacific didn't want you at all, and how you harassed like 200 other engines with the human wheel stuff. Cars, being obsessive toward particular topics, something like that. You're not like Andy. So? I don't care. Don't end up like Jessica, the Canadian Pacific F7A, the crybaby whining engine. Look at those wheels. Wow, you're adorable and those wheels are so shiny and I wish I can have those wheels. Hey 229, in Cars 4 there will be no racers in there. Dude, I literally didn't ask. But you P32, it's going to be amazing. Jackson Storm won't be in it.
Literally, no one cares. Pixar is already going downhill. Hee hee.
Oh yeah, if you don't stop talking, I will legit gather all CSX Dash 8s and scrap them all. Imagine if Amtrak can pull coal trains. That'll be cool.
LMAO, imagine being a brainless, repetitive, selfish as fuck locomotive who doesn't have anything better to do than to move your mouth.
But you should be nice to him. Ask Jaden, let's see what happens, because she does not take this lightly.
Anyways, you've been yelled at by 20 engines here.
Hey, you have a big head. What'd you say? I said you have a big head. Wow, 1853. You look cute and adorable and you deserve a good kiss. What? I heard enough.
Jessie, the racing train. Jessie, my #1 star. He's coming to the line, looking real good. Watch out, Jessie, they're right behind you. Come on, Jessie, the racing train. Jessie.
Ow! What was that for? Oh, sorry, didn't see you. I'm gonna get help. Well, that was all fun while it lasted. Hey 5704, you should do a history video of if the human body have wheels. You can Google that up, you know. Please be nice. Oh, you don't think I'm nice enough? Okay then. I don't know what I'm doing with my life on this, but I can't believe I have to come here for something pathetic. Gotta understand I have to work hard, and while you guys just complain about the littlest thing. Hey, why do humans exist in your video? What? I'm very curious to know. I'm just trying to reenact the steam era. Well, what do you think? It's literally just trains, not some pieces of moving metal that can perceive how they feel like Thomas the Choo-Choo Train. Trains should stay that way, and also he's trying to do something useful, unlike you two who's trying to go to every locomotive and talk about your ideas. But we like to talk, Justin. Okay, so? Dude, what the hell? Sorry, we're in love together. You should support LGBTQ. Bruh, you're blocking my way. Where's the cap for with the Roary? Look at me! I'm pulling Amtrak coaches and I'm blasting my K5LA horn. Oh boy, it's so much fun out here. Jessica, move out of the way! We're going to crash! Oh no! Hey Ethan, come here. I just want to give you a hug. Get back, Union. I didn't say you can be here. Why? We should be together as twins. We're the same. Hey, there's an old steam train. Let's race him. Kaboom! Ha! You're too slow. We'll beat him. Move faster, slowpoke. Dude, I'm just trying to deliver this train. Can you at least not disturb me while I'm taking this train? Come on, it's really important. Yes! Yes, we're beating him. See you in another race. Diesels are better. Oh no! Why are we starting to lose against him? Oh yeah, you got another train ahead of you. Watch out. Yo, what the? God damn it. How did these CSX engines even make it here? This is the 1950s. I'm late already and I'm already stressed about it. I don't know what the hell they're doing, but I am not sitting here all afternoon. Someone do something about it. I got it. I'm coming back with something. You mess with us steamers and first generation diesels? I got a little gift for you, Chessie and Union.